21-year-old man succumbed to injuries after stabbing at Notting Hill Carnival 2022. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 21-year-old rapper has succumbed to injuries he sustained during a stabbing incident at Notting Hill Carnival. Details surrounding the incident is still sketchy, however a murder investigation has been launched by the police. The 21-year-old man succumbed to injuries after being stabbed at Notting Hill Carnival, the Metropolitan Police said in a statement, adding that more than 200 arrests were made during the event. A police statement said at around 8 p.m. on Monday night, August 29, officers became aware of a stabbing in Ludbrook Grove under the Westway flyover. Officers provided first aid to the victim, a 21-year-old man, until the arrival of London Ambulance Service paramedics. They were able to extract him through a significant crowd in challenging circumstances to a waiting ambulance. He was taken to West London Hospital where, despite the best efforts of medical staff, he was pronounced dead. The police force said that a number of violent incidents and serious stabbing prompted Section 60 order to be put in place until 1 a.m. on Tuesday within the event's boundaries. Section 60 allows police to stop and search people without suspicion of illegality. The police said that 209 arrests had been made by early Tuesday, including 46 for assault, 36 for possession of drugs, 33 for possession of offensive weapon, 27 for public order offenses, and 8 for sexual assaults. The 21-year-old man who died after the stabbing incident at Notting Hill Carnival has been named as rapper Takayo Nembhard. Mr. Nembhard, known as TK or Stretch, was attacked in Ludbrook Grove around 8 p.m. His manager said that the rapper, who was from Bristol, had gone to the carnival with his sister and friends. It's still unclear what transpired that led to the stabbing incident. The rapper was also said to soon become a father. The rapper racked up more than 11,000 monthly listeners on Spotify, with one of his songs having more than 300,000 streams. His YouTube videos have racked up millions of views. He played for Bristol Rovers in his youth, but turned to the drill of music after injuring his leg. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide more information to comment this. Thanks for watching.